It was a dark, miserable Halloween night. Two brothers were walking when they found the perfect pumpkin. The field was near bare. All that remained was the odd-looking ones. They walked off chatting in jest of how they would carve this squash. The remaining pumpkin, however, was furious. Its last companion had been removed from where it lay by two despicable monsters. In its rage, the pumpkin summoned the spirit of Halloween and turned to a being filled by rage and hatred.
Shit, I really got to go to the toilet, right? Why? I know, it's really got to go. Okay.
Pumpkins, more like deadkins, more like.
Right.
Right.
Where's the...
To say, I went to see a man about a dog.
Today we're opening so many packs inside of this pumpkin that is dead scary. Let's get into this amazing opening.
So let's rip, crack, and pop this pumpkin open.
Bit of a weird choice of words, but yeah, sure.
Yes.
So much blood on it. Why?
And why are there Pokemon cards inside? And also Yu-Gi-Oh!
Oogie. Well, let's see what's in this spooky little pumpkin, which I don't know where it came from, but never mind.
So we
have some Yu-Gi-Oh! 25th anniversary collection, which is we've got a little Quaxley and Smoliv. He's scared. He's got olive coming out his head. And we have some more devilishly scary packs right here. Silver Tempests, some more Silver Tempests, some more Silver Tempests, and some Halloween packs.
Why did you have Silver Tempests inside this head?
What head? How is this a head?
Dead now. That's what you get for messing with me, pumpkin. Ow.
You're tripping on some stuff. I did not know. Well, anyway, let's just go on with the packs.
Packs.
Let's divide these equally. Alright, so we have... Do you want to open your Silver Tempest first?
Yeah, I'll go Silver Tempest.
I haven't opened Silver Tempest in a while.
I don't like Silver Tempest.
You don't like it?
No. I never put anything good from it.
What?
I never put anything good from it. Oh, it's a white code card. Good card. Open the back. So, this isn't cobweb, this is just mould. We haven't washed the table for a very long time.
Yeah.
The worker.
We need one of them to clean the table.
With Serena, Litten, Petal, Chinchou, a Pikachu. Oh my god. It's like...
Honestly, I'm just worried these packs are going to be... I'm just worried these packs are going to be like pretty dead and have nothing in them. I'm going to make a load of cringy, scary Halloween references here.
Yeah.
Got a... Oh wait, crap. I just didn't have to do the pack trick. There we go. Here's your code card, lads and lasses, and anything in between. If you want to do that, that's totally A-okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. Oh, not 4 packs, I wish we did. Anyway, we have a Fighting Energy, a Lantern, Wallace, Venomoth, Relicanth, Alucha, Rufflet, Vulpix, Drowsy, Stunfisk, and Talonflame. That's
See? Silver Tempest, not doing anything good.
honestly
Better than
the scariest thing about this is that we're just going to get bad pulls the whole video.
What does it say head look like? Come on. Is it a white code card again? Who would guess? So we have the code card.
Comment your favourite set down below because honestly, I want to know what you guys like. I want to know what you guys want to see us open because there's a lot of good packs out there.
Clang. Also, comment down below your favourite code card.
Yeah, there's a lot of good code cards out there.
Fennekin.
Each code's different, so you have plenty of choice.
Mulga. Hold on. See, I told you
That's
again.
a scary Pokemon.
That's a scary Pokemon.
We have Halloween luck on our side. Well, obviously, evidently don't. But we've got another white code card. Oh my god! Literally, these packs are haunted. Your super scary code card. Not going to do pack trick because just might as well zoom past this pack. We've got a Clink, Stunfisk, Fetchinder, and a Zygarde. What are you doing?
Special guest. Special guest starring Skelly. Skelly said he wants to open a pack, so we gave him to open a pack. Don't know if it can work, but he said he's a skeleton and he can open packs.
Skelly's fate. If you want context, we found this guy in hiding and sitting in a bin inside of an Asda, so we decided to rescue our little friend, and he's just going to be literally the running Halloween joke.
So come on, Skelly. We have.
Bring that scary luck. Although these packs are pretty much all the same.
I think he's struggling.
Yeah.
He's struggling.
Maybe need some calcium. I don't think he can read. He hasn't got eyes.
Gengar.
Are you okay? You need to articulate his mouth, mate. You can't do it himself. He's dead.
Subscribe to TheSlowBroTCG. Bye.
That was some randomness going on there. I'm not condoning any random skeleton hijackings, but yeah.
It's all Gengar. It's my favourite Pokemon.
We have a Poltergeist, Houndstone, and a Murkrow, which is pretty much. I like the Halloween packs. Not exactly scary, but you know, something different at the end of the day.
So we have Duskull. Different. You don't come back. You don't get a code card.
That would actually, no, it'd be a bit pointless because then you have to get like a stupid amount of Halloween packs to actually get a code card. Honestly, I can't get into this. It's the curse. Like me.
Fight it. Use werewolf. Go.
Your lungs are terrible. We got our next spooky lot of cards. See what's inside. But I think we should do a running thing where we have to, if for like a few packs, we have to say it in a really stupidly cringe Halloween voice.
Scary.
That's not scary.
Or Pikachu.
And then we got Drifblim.
So we have our Silver Tempe. White code card. Come on, let's go.
Oh, that's a bit less scary.
Oh, come on, code card.
I hope you're getting these because they're upside down. But like, if you're not, that doesn't really matter. Just deal with it.
So,
I see something as well.
Professor. Ponyta. Done that. Vulpix V-Star.
No
bad.
way.
Not the best, but V-Star. Not bad.
I've actually never seen that card. I think. Didn't they
I
have
have
it?
a Japanese.
I don't. Actually, I have a few Japanese cards, but I don't know. On this next spooky pack of cards, we have a Poltergeist, Houndstone, and a Graveyard. Some pretty dead packs.
So we have our woke
code card, mate. What are you chatting about? It's not an Andrew Tate code card.
Breathe air.
Damn, that's pretty woke. That will make you feel no fat. It's a look on me.
Okay. Mulga.
Oh, it's got fire energy as well.
No, it's not fire.
It's not fire.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's bringing scary vibes. The cold. I'm gonna get a cold from this, right? I haven't got another pack to open, so I think I should start digging in to the Smoliv tin. Chuck me the spooky Smoliv tin. Oh, can I have a bit? Skelly, can you pack from your hand, please? Cheers.
Yes, it's Skelly.
No, I think I'll get into the pack. Thanks, Skelly. Well, you can sit in the pumpkin. Oh, never mind. Honestly, we're going to be like one of those weird 2010 plus YouTubers that are just going like making really dumb voices with plushies. I never knew these existed. When did they start adding these? Like, that's plastic. Like, when I never knew. Well, you have this, whatever this is. I think I don't even know. It's not even a sleeve. Oh. We have this, actually, and we have two. We have a scarlet and violet, and oh no, we are being haunted.
Oh no!
It's another silver tempest.
At 3 a.m.
We open Pokemon cards at 3 a.m. and what happened next is shocking. I'm just gonna dig into this because old white code cards that don't mean anything in this set. You might call something dead cool. Happy code card. How many did the patch contain? Is it 1 sec? 1, 2, 3. 1 sec. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, does it contain 11? I don't know. I've lost the will. We've got Pawniard, Wiglet, Toadskool, Sandile, Torkoal, and Scovillain, Oinkalone, Energy Retrieval, Rotom, and Dondozo, and an Energy. Yeah, not bad.
So we have.
Yeah, it's a holo.
Dun 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 dun.
One. Oh my god, this is like pretty den opening. No pun intended there.
It's Halloween.
Again, there's a lot of spooky Pokemon in this set actually. Victini's not really spooky. Nobody is not spooky.
We've only got that one money.
Indeed.
So we're gonna go.
Final chance of redemption. Although we have not pulled anything good, we were hoping to turn this round with these. I thought that was Silver Tempest. I genuinely thought that was Silver Tempest.
Packs.
Videos, honestly. So who, kind of, just for context, who is this bloke?
Yu-Gi-Oh!
No, what's actually his name?
Yu-Gi.
Is that actually?
Yeah.
I don't even know if you're taking a mic or what.
So we have the same you get in every single week. Obelisk. Cypher. Obelisk Tormentor, special one.
First pack. No, wait. Let's have a look. You literally just got the special one. Wait, did you pull that? Or did you pull that?
You get a special one, special card in every set of this.
Oh, okay. I just
I've got.
Thought you just straight.
Cypher. I think you get 6 of them. Blue Eyes, Art Magician. Got Obelisk Tormentor. I haven't got one.
My pack time. Legend of Blue Eyes. If I pull Toon Dragon again, I'm gonna be. I don't even know Toon Dragon's in this.
Please don't play Dragon.
Damn.
That's me after.
Wasteland, Mystical Moon. I don't know.
Camera Lady.
Camera Lady. Red Skullbird and Remove Trap. Mammoth Graveyard. That's pretty spooky. I'm not even gonna lie. That is terrifying. And we have a legendary swordsman. Spell Ruler.
We have Flame Champion, Cyberfire. One tank. Notes of Recovery, Glare, Shaker, Gun Collapse, and
My next, that was surprisingly easy. My next Yu-Gi-Oh pack is contained in this thing. Stone Ogre Grotto. Damn, it's pretty.
Yeah, she's nice.
It's pretty Halloweeny.
She juicy.
She is juicy. Cyberjar. Penguin Knight. What? Toadster.
That's a good card.
And we have Horn of Light and Mechanical Snail. I want to have a look at this Mechanical Snail dude because he looks pretty funky. I never thought a snail could be like mechanical.
I have Garden. Battle Footballer.
Is that a good one?
No, but that should be.
It looks pretty dope.
Arsenal Summoner. That should be my next summoner.
Oh.
Hello. Nice card.
Is that hollow? Frozen Soul. Oh, snap. Check the next pack.
Last card.
Last pack for me. We got the Ancient Elf. Pokémon, that's a weird name. We got a Hunting Spider. I feel like Yu-Gi-Oh fits it quite well because they're pretty like not really scary, but a bit Ooh, nice. What is that? So is that supposed to be the hollow there? That's decent, is that supposed to be like good? We got a launcher spider, deep sea shark, king of Yamika, and bottom dweller. What? Bottom dweller. That is unprofessional language for a kid-friendly
Last
channel.
pack. We'll create some ants. So the 10,000 hands. How do we do 10,000 hands?
Then you add another appendage.
What? Cooking. Do you like your cooking? What's the darkness?
Damn. Nothing good. Nothing good. It was pretty scary. The fact we got no pools. I hope you enjoyed our devilishly good opening. How have you found the opening?
I found it good. We had Skelly on the beat.
Yeah, Skelly.
Skelly on the beat. Skelly on the beat.
Super scary to listen to that.
Skelly coming.
But no need.
Oh yeah, it's fun.
It was quite fun. It was quite scary.
I had a very good eventful evening. You know experience?
I hope I won't.
No.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.
What the...